Question 32 is about DNA in meiosis. It said that DNA is changed during meiosis 1 to meiosis 2 due to crossing over. It is wrong because crossing over occurs here, not between meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Second, it said that there is less DNA at the end of meiosis 1. No, because at first we had a 2n DNA duplicate to 2n and then half back to 2a, same as before, so not less DNA. And last is less, okay, just n. The cells are diploid at the end of meiosis 1 and haploid at the end of meiosis 2. Okay, so look at them. Okay, the first is diploid and then also diploid and then become haploid and haploid. So it's one, both are haploid. And look at the number of chromatids per cell. For this one is 4. For this one is 2. Okay, so the number of chromatids is halved. So the answer is D. Thank you.